Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I am going to show you what to do if File Explorer crashes or freezing when you opening the big folders, large folders on Windows 10 or in Windows 11. This is very common issue, especially if the folder contains thousands of files, photos or videos. So let's go through all the working solutions step by step to fix this irritating problem. File Explorer often crashes because it tries to generate thousands of thumbnail previews at once. To disable thumbnail preview, you can follow this method. Open the File Explorer, click on three dots. From here, click on Options, okay, and go to View tab like this, and here you can get the option check always show icon never thumbnail. Check this, click on apply and then click on OK. Now try to open the large folder again. Explorer should not crash after doing this, guys. Okay, if your thumbnail cache is corrupted, Explorer can freeze or crash at the time also. To repair and to fix this, you can try this method. Hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard. It will open the run box, and here you need to type clean mgr and then hit enter from your keyboard and choose your drive, usually C or any other drive. Select your drive and then click on OK. From here you need to select thumbnails and then click on OK. This will rebuild all thumbnails and prevent crashes. Okay, this is also a very powerful method. You can try another method also. Just go to your large folder, right click on it and open the properties. In the properties, go to customize tab, and here under optimize the folder for select general items. Okay, extend this from here, select the general item. Also click apply this template to all sub folder. Check this and then click on apply and then click on OK. That's it. Also you can try the another method to speed up your slow load folder problem. In the File Explorer, click on View. From here you need to disable this preview panel. So you can try another method also. This is the last and final method. Press Windows key button and here you need to type cmd, means command prompt, and open this command prompt in run as administrator tab. Okay, and here you need to type one command sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter from your keyboard. This command will help you to repair your corrupted system file and repair it instantly. So this command will take some time to execute 100%. After the 100% was completed, at the time only you can close this command and then restart your PC one time. After restarting, it will fix your problems. And that's it for today, guys. These are the easy fixes for File Explorer crashing when opening large folder on Windows PC. Try each solution one by one and your system should stop freezing or closing unexpectedly. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with others. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.